Hello, I'm Peter Pan. For those who are not familiar with me, I'm a professional trader in Hong Kong. I trade both in the index future and the stocks. On the 22nd of April, I started my channel and recommended several stocks. And even though the Hang Seng Index have dropped more than 1,000 points, the stock I recommended is still is rising quite beautifully. This is 1211. Recommended it on the 5th of May. It has risen 20%, even though the Hang Seng Index dropped more than 1,000 points. Another stock I recommended is 712. This is the I recommended it on the 22nd of May, and it has risen. Today is at this point, and it risen 19%. One more stock recommended is 1788. It has risen 14%. And the 3311, the last stock I recommended is 3311. Recommended it on the 22nd of April, and it has risen 10%. So I encourage you to look back on my prior videos. I'm going to be taping a lot of English videos as well. So please stay tuned and watch my videos, as I will take care of you English-speaking audience too. So today I'm going to talk about is the stuff that I talk about on the 28th of April, which is I'm saying that at that time I'm saying that the China stock market is a bull market and it's near the bottom. So I'm just going to give you back the English version of this video. If you guys want to verify these videos here, you can ask for your Chinese speaking friends and verify that for you. So this is the Shanghai Composite Index. My argument is very simple. So this is the China stock market. Rise, a very nice bull run, and at the top here is a explosive run up, and then drop here, and this is on the 2008 10th of on the October. At that time, the Lehman Brothers went bankrupt, which causes a cascade effect. The whole financial system is going to a meltdown. The economy is in the verge of having a significant drop. Significant depression coming. Everything in chaos, everything in destruction. And at that point, the price of the Shanghai Composite Index is closest at the 1,664, and then on the prior low of last year on the November, the lowest point at that time is the 1,959. So it's very simple. My idea is, at the lowest, remember one thing: everything have a price. Even garbage stock have a price. At the lowest, when the world is in the verge of meltdown, the price people are willing to give at that point is 1,664. They think the end of the world price is 1,664. Okay, I'm asking you, look at the prior low here. What kind of situation we are in right now? What kind? If you look at the data of the United States, things are doing not bad. The housing market is doing okay. It's seem to be rising. And the job market is not too bad. If you look at the stock market of the United States, it has risen a lot. Japanese stock market, it has risen a lot, even though these 2 weeks have been terrible, but still have risen a lot, break new highs, The German DAX, the CAC index of France, every index is doing not bad, has broken new high and has risen a lot. The economic data is not bad, Are we in the end of the world right now? I don't think so, So at the end of the world, prices people are willing to pay is here, and we are here, and we are not in the end of the world. So if I'm the big player, such as George Soros, Renaissance Technology, or even SAC Capital, those kind of big players, I'm going to buy in here because simply we are not in the end of the world, and it's simply too cheap. The China stock market is simply too cheap. So this is my argument. And the concept is everything has a price, and we are not in the end of the world, and so this is a bull market because it's too cheap, and people are going to be buying. Big players are going to be buying first, and then normal guys like me and you, the small player, will be buying, and then the bull market will come. And this is the part 1 of the video. On the second part of the video, I'm going to talk about the fundamental side, the argument for the fundamental side, the valuation. So the above is personal opinion. Stock market, stocks and future do rise and fall. There is a high volatility can be happening in the stock market. Buying stocks and future have risks. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.